Hello, I'm back. So I wanted to kind of tie this video into with how to help support your immune system. So this one is actually how to reduce a fever naturally, and I wanted to do this because I do get questions often from other mamas that have little babies or toddlers, but this is great also if you have older kids or even if you want to use these tips and tricks for yourself. So first of all, skin to skin. This is such a great way to help your baby or your child regulate their body temperature. It's literally as simple as just taking your guys' shirts off and hugging, cuddling, laying in bed together, or sitting on the couch and watching a show. Also, while you're doing skin to skin, give hugs because hugs are so healing and vital. Drink plenty of fluids. So make sure you're getting plenty of water or even coconut water. And if this is for your baby, definitely make sure you're breastfeeding and nursing them as often as they're willing to do so. The next thing that you can do is to apply a cool wash or rag to their forehead. You don't want to do cold because decreasing the body temperature too fast is not going to go over well, and that can actually cause more problems. So just a cool wash rag and apply it to the forehead or to the back of the neck and the shoulders. Alright, this is another one. So you can take apple cider vinegar and you can soak their socks in apple cider vinegar and then apply them onto their feet. Or you can soak a rag in apple cider vinegar and place it on their belly. You can do one or the other, or you can do both. And last but not least, the last tip and trick that I have for you is to give a cool bath. Again, not a cold bath, but a cool bath, and it's gonna feel cold to them if they're running a fever. So all you have to do is run a cool bath, add in some Epsom salt and baking soda, and maybe even some of your favorite essential oils. Mix the essential oils into the Epsom salt and baking soda first. Don't just drop it into the bathtub because the oils need to be mixed into the Epsom salt, otherwise they'll stay on the surface. And let yourself or your little one just cool down in the bath. I'm also going to put up this fever chart right here so you guys can see that before you panic, the fever is the body's natural way of fighting off infection, and that is so vital and that is so important. So we don't want to pump them with Tylenol, ibuprofen, things like that, because when you do that, that decreases that glutathione level in the body, and then the body cannot fight off infection or detox as well. Of course, this is up to you and up to your discretion and your intuition. Always trust your intuition as a mama or a dad. You will know what is right and best for your child or for yourself in that situation. Alright, I hope that you try these tips and tricks, or if you have another one that I didn't mention, definitely comment down below, let us know, because this is such a great way for us to access information and share with each other different tips and tricks that are tried and true that we know work. So definitely comment down below and let us know. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you resonate with me and my content, definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.